For all of you who suffer from some form of health issue in your life, you may want to pay close attention to this next video. Today, my hot topic is about celery. It's sweeping the nation and the internet, and it's finally getting the recognition it so richly deserves. There's so many videos out there, and there's people telling you about their experience and how celery worked for them. But what I don't see is people telling you why it works for them. So today, I am going to tell you why it works. If you know me from any of my other videos, you know that I love to educate you. So get a pen and paper and let me give you the facts. Hi, I'm Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair, and I'm a hair loss specialist, a board-certified nutritionist, and a health and wellness coach. I started many years ago helping people with hair loss, and I combined nutrition with it because 98% of hair loss is due to an imbalance in your body and due to nutritional deficiencies. And I thought it was important to share with you some facts about celery because it is helping many people who I actually have helped with hair and health issues. I use celery a lot in my programs, and I saw how people were getting a new lease on life from this one plant. Now, celery is considered an herb to some and a vegetable to others, but today I'm going to call it my miracle plant because millions of people around the world are talking about celery and they're sharing their stories online and more, and it is the miracle plant. Have you ever heard the saying, food is medicine? Well, if you have, just know food is medicine. The right food can be medicinal, and celery and its juice has herbal medicinal properties. Celery contains mineral salts that kill off bacteria and viruses that live in your gut, your intestines, your liver, your kidney, your colon, and even your brain. It cleans your entire body. Now, some say that you have to juice celery to get the benefits, but I'm here to tell you, myself, my family, my friends, and my clients, we actually just been eating the stalks, and we've been getting great results from it. But eating the stalks or drinking it, you have to do it first thing in the morning, particularly on an empty stomach. So today I'm going to share with you 7 of the top benefits of adding celery into your diet. Fatigue. So many of us experience fatigue, and celery and its juice can help relieve you from fatigue. Most fatigue actually comes from a nutritional deficiency, a toxic liver overload, and toxic heavy metals in your body. Celery works to flush those toxins from your body, and it helps to build up the nutrients that you actually may be deficient in. Your body needs calcium, potassium, magnesium, sodium, iron, copper, zinc, phosphorus, manganese, selenium, sulfur, cobalt, and chromium every day. However, many of these nutrients are deficient in your body, and that's because of stress, diet, medicines, and illnesses. But celery helps to fill in the gaps with the needed nutrients that you need. 2 is its anti-inflammatory properties. Celery contains anti-inflammatory compounds and phytonutrients that can reduce inflammation in your digestive system, blood, cells, and organs. Digestive problems. Celery relieves digestive disorders. Most digestive problems begin with issues with the deficiency of sodium. You see, sodium helps to produce something called hydrochloric acid, which helps your stomach to break down the proteins in foods you've eaten. However, if you have a deficiency of nutrients such as sodium, your stomach cannot produce enough hydrochloric acid, and you'll find that you wind up with a lot of digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, acid reflux. Well, celery's digestive enzymes can help to heal your gut. It helps your liver to produce more bile, and its mineral salts help your stomach to produce more hydrochloric acid, which will relieve a lot of those digestive disorders. Antioxidant properties. Antioxidants protect your cells and your organs from oxidative stress. And this powerful plant celery contains more than 12 antioxidant nutrients that protects your body from unwanted oxidative damage to all of the critical organs and cells in your body. The antioxidants in celery help to diffuse toxic heavy metals. Got a question for you. Did you know that brain fog, memory loss, bipolar, ADHD, anxiety, and depression have all been linked to toxic heavy metals such as aluminum, mercury, lead, cadmium, arsenic, nickel, and much more? So eating celery and drinking its juice will help to remove those toxic heavy metals from your body. Cleansing the liver. I bet you have no idea how powerful your liver is to your everyday life. Your liver is part of your digestive system, and it has a role that is just as important as your brain. Your liver is the largest solid organ and the largest gland in the human body, and it carries out over 500 critical tasks, critical jobs every day for you. Medical news today actually says the liver's major functions are in the metabolic processes of the body, which would include balancing energy metabolism by converting glycogen to glucose and storing extra glucose by converting it to glycogen. And I don't want to use too many big words to confuse you, but it also makes toxins less harmful to the body, and it removes toxins from your bloodstream. Your liver has a fantastic memory, and it knows when to store, when to release, when to break down, and when to convert certain substances when needed. But more importantly, disease and many health issues are caused by an overloaded liver. Digestive issues, high blood pressure, autoimmune deficiencies, depression, weight gain, adrenal problems, inflammation, yeast infections, constipation, cancer, diabetes, skin problems, hormonal problems, allergies, SIBO, fatigue, UTIs, and other chronic illnesses has been associated with an overloaded toxic liver. However, celery and its juice can improve liver functions, and that's because it is a powerful liver cleanser. It will clean out all the yuck and disgusting buildups around your liver. Celery and its juice stabilizes your liver, making you feel better and healthier. Endocrine issues. Anyone suffering from an autoimmune disorder is usually dealing with an endocrine issue, and celery and its juice have plant hormones that help to balance the endocrine glands. So a sufferer of problems with the thyroid, adrenal glands, or even your reproductive systems, this could actually give you some relief. This plant and the plant hormones can definitely help. Acidosis. Celery alkalizes your bloodstream, reducing acidosis. So let me tell you what acidosis is. Acidosis is when your body and your blood has too much acid in it. Your kidneys and your lungs keeps your body's pH balanced. However, with acidosis, your kidney and your lungs can't keep your body's pH in proper balance. And this imbalance of your pH usually comes from eating too much processed foods, too much fatty foods, and drinking too much hard liquor. But drinking celery juice will actually help to bring the pH to your body and make you more healthy. And here's a side note. If you're allergic to celery or need an alternative, you can use cucumber. Cucumber makes for a great alternative because it also is an amazing body cleanser. You'll need to take 2 whole cucumbers and juice that down, and it would make you a full glass. Now remember I said earlier that some say that you have to juice the celery to receive its benefits. However, I've seen it, my family have seen it, my clients have seen that just eating the stalks daily can help. And if you do that, you need to eat or drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And if you juice it, you want to juice the whole bunch, because a whole bunch of celery will make you 16 ounces of juice. Now don't mix it with anything. No fruit juice, no vegetables, nothing, as this is going to dilute its potency and its nutrients. Now I suggest to not start with the 16 ounces. Start with maybe 6 or 8 ounces of juice, as 16 ounces could be too much for your body and could cause diarrhea because it's flushing out the toxins too quickly from your liver. Okay, so I want you all to love celery juice as much as I have. As a hair loss specialist, celery juice, its nutrients, its enzymes, everything about it has been helping people with their hair, their body, their health, everything. So now I'm going to challenge you. I want to do a 10-day challenge for all of you who never tried celery, the stalks or the juice, and I want you to try it. Just try it for 10 straight days. And after 10 days, I want to hear back from you. I want you to tell me what has changed in your health, in your body, in your skin, in your energy, and so many different things. That's what I want from you. So I challenge you to try the celery, try the juice, and then in 7 to 10 days, I want you to email me and we're going to have another discussion. After that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for a big juicer. I'll see you in the next video.